In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam save files to another computer. This is a common situation many gamers encounter when they upgrade their system or want to switch to a more powerful machine. Don't worry, it's easier than it might sound, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Firstly, make sure Steam Cloud is disabled. Even though the Steam Cloud saves certain files, it's crucial to ensure everything else is accounted for. To do this, open your Steam client and navigate to the upper left corner where you'll find Steam. Click that, then head on over to Settings. Within the Settings menu, there's an option called Cloud. Here, make sure the option, Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization, is unchecked. With that squared away, let's move on. Next, we need to locate your saved game files. These are usually stored within a specific folder on your computer. The common Steam directory is under C, Program Files x86 Steam, but it could be elsewhere if you opted for a custom installation. Dive into the Steam folder, proceed to User Data, and from here, you'll see several subfolders. Each one correlates with different user accounts and the games linked therein. Pinpoint your specific game save files, which may require a bit of exploring. Now, it's time to back up these files. Once you've identified the save files you want to transfer, copy them to a portable storage device. This could be a USB flash drive or an external hard drive. As long as it has enough space, you're good to go. Always double-check that all necessary files are copied over to avoid any unpleasant surprises later. On to the new computer. Launch the Steam client, and if you haven't already, install the game whose save files you're transferring. This is an important step as the game directory needs to exist first for the files to be placed properly. Go ahead and exit Steam once the game installation is complete. Plug in the storage device with your saved game files. Find the corresponding directory structure in the User Data folder within the Steam directory of this new computer. Paste the save files into the appropriate folder. It's okay if you need to create new folders or overwrite existing ones. This will ensure your game continues right where you left off. Lastly, reopen Steam and launch the game to verify that your saves have transferred successfully. If everything was done correctly, you should see your progress right where you left it. If something seems off, double-check the folder paths and ensure no files were missed during the transfer. And there you have it, your beloved game progress is now on your new computer. I hope this detailed guide was helpful, providing you with straightforward steps to follow along effortlessly. Happy gaming, and don't hesitate to dive into those worlds on your brand new setup.